Alright, first thing you're going to do is remove this lower dash panel. Handful of bolts and it comes right out. Then we're going to cut off this small cubby hole. Make sure you leave these two bolt holes on right here, don't cut those off. At the same time, we're going to install our two floor louvers. We have the template cut out in the instructions. This is the actual face size of the louver. Go ahead and bump that right up to this ridge. Punch out that middle hole and mark the starting point of your hole saw bit. Center it in between these two ridges that run right here and run it up against this ridge. Over here, same thing. Center it in between these two ridges and run it up against this edge. Next thing you're going to do is take a utility knife and cut this warning sticker panel out of the dash. We're going to run some ductwork and also some wiring through that hole. At that time, take the red and the black wire that come in the kit, connect the eyelets to the accessory panel that is just underneath this dash, run them up through the hole and leave them here for later in the install when we plug them into the switch. Now we'll go ahead and set our ductwork for our defrost and our two body louvers. Per the instructions, go ahead and get your T and run the duct off of that. These are going to be for the two body louvers. And then also take the run of duct for the defrost. Feed those through this opening, and we'll keep the 3 runs of duct right here, and the 2 other ends will then go down below the dash here, or we'll connect it to the adapters on the heater box. Okay, so now we're going to temporarily mount this heater box. There's going to be 2 mounting points. You're going to have one on the front of the box on the driver's side. You can go ahead and permanently mount that right now, tighten that all the way. The mounting point on the back passenger side, that's a panel bolt hole, and so we're going to end up putting the panel in here when we do that final install. And so you can just temporarily mount this one for now, get it in place. Take the 2 runs of duct that were coming for our defrost and body louvers from the top dash that we fed through earlier, and connect those to the heater box adapters before you mount it. You can also put your 2 runs of duct for the floor louvers on there and just leave them hanging for now. We're also going to do our Y fittings. So we're going to splice in for the return line into the lower radiator hose right here. So this is just going to be a 2-foot run of heater hose, goes right from our box into the return line, and then we have a 6-foot run of hose for our inlet line. This is going to run through this center panel right here to the back. We're going to tie into the inlet line, the radiator hose before the thermostat. We're going to get quicker and more consistent heat doing that. Alright, so we got our lower dash piece back in place. We had this temporary bolt here in the front on our heater. Took that out, got this in place, put it back in, got the rest of the bolts in place, made sure it was in there securely, and then we popped in our dash panel cover here. Flows in seamless with this piece. Make sure that you attach the duct to these 2 louvers before you put it in place. Then last thing you do is put the cover here in the center dash. This has the 2 body louvers and the defrost louver. Connect the wires into the back of the switch, connect the duct to the back of the louvers, and then use the 4 plastic rivets to hold this in place.